In 2025, a growing number of Americans are choosing portable power stations instead of traditional gas generators, and this shift is happening because the way people think about backup power, emergencies, and everyday energy use has completely changed, as portable power stations offer a cleaner, quieter, and more convenient solution that fits modern lifestyles far better than loud and fuel-hungry generators, especially at a time when power outages caused by extreme weather, heat waves, storms, and grid stress are becoming more common across the United States, and one of the biggest reasons Americans are making this switch is convenience, because portable power stations are essentially plug-and-play devices that require no gasoline, no oil changes, no fumes, and no complicated maintenance, allowing users to charge them at home, in a car, or even with solar panels and then instantly power essentials like phones, laptops, Wi-Fi routers, medical devices, lights, and small appliances during an outage, and unlike gas generators they can be safely used indoors, which is a huge advantage for apartment dwellers, renters, and families who don't have outdoor space or want to avoid safety risks. And noise is another major factor driving this trend, since gas generators are notoriously loud and disruptive, while portable power stations operate silently, making them ideal for nighttime outages, remote work, home offices, and neighborhoods where noise restrictions are common. And Americans are also switching because portable power stations align better with sustainability goals, as more people want cleaner energy solutions that reduce reliance on fossil fuels, especially when solar-compatible power stations allow users to generate electricity from the sun during emergencies or outdoor activities, turning backup power into a renewable option rather than a polluting one. And cost plays a role too, because while gas generators may appear cheaper upfront, the ongoing expenses of fuel, maintenance, and storage add up quickly, whereas portable power stations have predictable long-term costs and require very little upkeep, making them a smarter investment over time. And portability is another huge advantage, since these power stations are lightweight, compact, and easy to move, allowing Americans to use the same device for home backup, camping, road trips, tailgating, RV travel, and even outdoor work, which adds real value beyond emergency situations. And as remote work continues to dominate in 2025, many professionals rely on portable power stations to keep laptops, monitors, and internet running during outages without disrupting meetings or productivity, something gas generators simply aren't practical for indoors. And there's also growing awareness around safety, as carbon monoxide risks from gas generators have pushed many families to look for safer alternatives, making battery-powered stations a more appealing choice. And technology improvements have made modern portable power stations far more powerful than earlier models, with higher capacities, faster charging, and better power management that can handle refrigerators, microwaves, and even small air conditioners for limited periods, which closes the performance gap that once favored gas generators. And as Americans become more prepared for emergencies while also prioritizing convenience, quiet operation, and cleaner energy, portable power stations are no longer seen as niche gadgets but as essential household tools. And unless gas generators evolve to match these advantages, this trend is likely to continue growing, proving that in 2025 the future of backup power in the USA is quieter, cleaner, smarter, and far more portable than ever before.